Hey guys, Ascend Artco here with some more Twistin tips. Now let's go over weaving with pressure in mind. Here's our basic shape. We're going to connect lightly at the top. Right here, just around a little bit. Notice I'm still watching my pressure there. I'm going to go across, and like we typically do with the weave, I'm going to go back under. But watch how lightly I do this. I push, and I come through. When I come through, I don't yank and pull. I do this very lightly, but that's after I've pinched down back here to get where I want to go. So when I get to this other side and cross again, I'm going to find where it needs to be, lightly push it over to where it's not squeezing my shape in, press down, and it's in. Then I'm just going to push it through. That's literally all a weave is. It's not basket weaving going back and forth. It's going back to the other end and pressing down. So I've got my shape back here. I'm going to let it naturally come over very lightly, and then I'm going to press, and there you go. That's all there is to it. Weaving while keeping pressure in mind.